He's eating a chapati. We're here. And our train is delayed by 20 minutes. Or is it 19665? I feel nervous about this trip. I don't know why. I think it's because of the overnight trains in Thailand. The second one we took was just not very nice at all, so I'm a little anxious about what this one's gonna look like. But anyways, yeah, driving here, the Google Maps told the driver to go right on this road, but it was like a one-way, so he just kept going in the opposite direction against traffic, and then finally he was like, okay, I give up, and then turned around.
Yeah, I mean, I was expecting that because I see every day how people are driving. So yeah, I wasn't really nervous.
Yeah.
But it's just strange when you are going against traffic.
But yeah, so now we're here, so we're just gonna wait an hour, then we have to check out our berths, like where we're sleeping on the train. And that also has me a little nervous because with the way they're numbered or whatever, I don't know if we're gonna be like next to each other or there might be other people in the room, so I don't really know. But this is a first class train, so I just hope that it's clean. Ideally, we'd be the only people in the room, but if there's other people in the room, I'm not gonna sleep tonight, so. This actually looks cool. Do you want to go wait down there? We just learned that the train is delayed by an hour and 25 minutes, so we're just going to hang out here and wait for it. And it's not so bad because this is the third train we've taken and it's the first one that's been delayed because it isn't starting from this city. The other train started from that city, so that's probably why they weren't delayed, but whatever.
Udaipur City Express from via Ajmer to Udaipur City.
Just a platform change. Still delayed.
Now it's past midnight.
So it's only like an hour and 10 minutes delayed. Woo!
We'll see what time it's going to actually take off.
Oh yeah, true.
Those are different ones.
Really?
Yeah.
Should we just go sit in one then? So we don't have a room to ourselves, but we switched with people so we can be in the same room. Because otherwise, I was supposed to be in that room by myself.
Blanket भी नहीं जी, blanket ही रहेगा. Pillow cover change कर रहा हूँ. Pillow cover blanket भी मिलेगा.
We're now on our way to our second destination in Rajasthan, Udaipur, India's city of the lakes. With its population around 400,000, this will be the smallest city we visit and the most lush. We're looking forward to a change of scenery. was clean from what I could tell. So yeah, we're here now a couple hours late and then we're just walking to our hotel. Yeah, so this hotel room isn't so bad. Everything's clean. And we can stand up in the shower again. We're gonna go walk around the lake a little bit, check out this park, so hopefully we can get a good view of the city palace on the other side of the lake.
This view is cool.
The air is nice here too. Nicer. Yeah, I like the layout of this hotel. Let's go.
Hello.
Hi. Udaipur is known as the White City of Rajasthan because many of its buildings are painted white. They also seem to be the perfect canvas for the city of artists. Because they're one of the few that actually has soy milk. So we're excited to finally have a soy latte here. The soy milk in India is nothing like All Pro, which is like this, it's very sweet, you know? This is more just straight up soy flavor. Same at Starbucks too.
I'm sure there's no scooters.
Oh. Is this all just algae? I wonder how that's affected with all the pollution and rubbish.
See, algae grow in anything.
Anything? I see.
Depending on which one. So you can see in here that there's definitely not enough
oxygen?
animals.
Oh. Oh, to eat it, you mean?
Yeah.
These picturesque lakes are man-made, the welcome consequence of dams built to satisfy the city's drinking water and irrigation needs. This place is definitely more chill than the other cities we visited, and for the first time we actually see tourists walking around. That was a rare sight in the other cities. We've seen like people from Spain and Italy walking around here. That doesn't even look like a boat.
Yeah.
So now we're just sitting here waiting for sunset. fresh and the lake serene, a stark contrast to the other cities we visited on this trip. Udaipur wasn't part of our original plan, but I'm glad I added it to our itinerary. I can understand why some describe it as the most romantic destination in India. Thanks for watching! In next week's episode, we tour Udaipur City Palace. We also visit Jagmandir. See you next week! And then check out this one restaurant that has vegan pancakes and lots of vegan food. We've been craving something other than Indian food because it's delicious, but we've had thali like twice a day for several days in a row now, so you want to get something like vegan pancakes. And they make their own Nutella. They make it vegan, so we're gonna try to get something like that.